So this would be somewhere between a C and a B. It's an easy B or a hard C, depending on how you're going. It's an exact, so it's no technology, and it's talking about an area. So the first thing we need to work out is whether it cuts the x-axis and whether we've got some issues with negative area happening. We've got to recognise that as a hyperbola, and you can see that there's no plus k. So that means it has not moved up or down, which means it could be like that. It could be like that. It could be any way. But it has not cut the x-axis, so we don't really need to break up this domain at all. Not really sure. I don't know really whether I care whether the area is positive or negative, because if I get a negative answer, I'm just going to delete the negative off, because its area can't be negative. But the big thing is we don't have to find an x-axis intercept because there isn't one. And then that being said, we just need to then integrate because we don't. There's no x-axis intercepts. 1 on 5 minus 2x. You can see I've left the numerator blank because I really don't want it to be a 1. I want it to be a minus 2. So it's in that pattern, the derivative on top of a function, and therefore I've got to take the negative a half out the front. Then I'm going to integrate this thing here. So it's going to be the natural log of 5 minus 2x. I'm going to put the 2 in there. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is log 1. And then I'm going to subtract when the negative 1 goes in there. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, so it's plus 2. So it's a 7. The natural log of 1 is 0, so it goes. And we've got the negative log 7 multiplied by negative a half. And there's our answer. Positive a half log 7. That worked out quite well.